Hey guys, it's Matt from Foamy Car Care. Just a quick video today to show you how to swap out the orifice inside your foam cannon. This is only necessary if your foam cannon is cutting in and out while in use. This typically only affects high PSI pressure washers. Inside your foam cannon box there is a 1.25mm orifice which is slightly larger than the one that is pre-installed in your foam cannon. Switching to a larger orifice will allow higher pressure to go through your foam cannon without throwing out the pressure sensor inside your pressure washer. To swap out the orifice, simply remove the 1/4" quick connector on the foam cannon with a 16mm spanner. Removing the 1/4" quick connector will expose the orifice inside the foam cannon. You'll just need to grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and remove the orifice inside. Now grab yourself the 1.25mm orifice and reinstall it inside the foam cannon. Once you have installed the 1.25mm orifice, all you have to do is reconnect the 1/4" quick connector and your foam cannon is ready to go. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to the team. And for now, happy cleaning!